Alright, if your files are just sitting everywhere with no structure, yeah, finding anything becomes a nightmare. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create a proper folder hierarchy in Google Drive, so everything stays organized and easy to manage. First, don't just start clicking. Plan your structure. Think in levels, like main folders, then subfolders. Now, go to Google Drive, click New, and create your main folders. These are your top-level categories. Examples could be work, personal, or projects. Inside each main folder, create subfolders to break things down further. For example, inside work, you might have clients, reports, or meetings. Now move your files into the correct folders. Drag and drop or use Move To. Keep names clear and consistent. Avoid random titles. Use something easy to understand. Don't go too deep with folders. 2 to 3 levels is usually enough to keep things simple. You can color folders to quickly identify important sections. Star important files or folders so you can access them quickly anytime. Take a few minutes regularly to clean up and keep your structure organized. And yeah, that's how you create a Google Drive folder hierarchy. Set it up once, and managing files becomes way easier.